Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students. In this class, we will continue our first chapter, Accounting for Partnership Firm Fundamental. The topic is Interest on Drawing. So my dear students, at our last video, I have explained when the drawing are monthly basis. The partner are drawing from the firm on the monthly basis. So in this video class, we will continue the same topic, interest on drawing, but the partners are withdrawn from the firm on the quarterly basis. So now let's start this topic. First condition A, when drawings are made, when drawings are made on beginning on each quarter. So students, in this time when the partner are withdraw the amount from the firm at the beginning of each quarter, that time the firm will be charged 7.5 at the average of 7.5 months. So now let's see how it is calculated the 7.5. So same formula at on the last class, average period. Average period is equal to time left after first drawing. After first drawing plus time left after last drawing. Divided by average period, here we are calculating, divided by 2. So mentions that when drawings are made in the beginning of each quarter. So same, see the graph for the understood this method. First is the month of January, next February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So now let's see. Mention is here, when drawing a beginning of each quarter. First see the topic of quarter. My dear friends, each 3 months of each quarter. Of 3 months of each quarter in a year, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In a year, 4 quarter is there for the each quarter for 3 months. Beginning of each quarter. When drawing are made on beginning of I think it's more comfortable, of each quarter. So beginning of each quarter, when the drawing are made in this time, beginning of each quarter, first Jan they will draw, total months is remain, 12 months, plus time left after last drawing. Time left after last drawing, it means topic is beginning of each quarter. Here the partner will be withdrawn on 1st October. So my dear friends, see the month, how many months or how many quarters are remain after the last drawing, it means 3 months. Understood? 1st October, time left after last drawing. Last drawing is there. We are consider here quarterly drawing, quarterly beginning of each quarter 1 October. 1 October, remaining months is 3. Divide by 2. 12/03/15 divided by 2, 7.5 months. So it is the first 7.5 months when drawing a beginning of each quarter. Now let's see the second one. When drawing a made at the end of each quarter. So and the each quarter. So students, the partner are drawing end of each quarter. It means 1st Jan is the beginning of each quarter and end of each quarter is 31st March. 30th March, the end of each quarter. The partner will drawing on 31st March. How many times are remain after the first drawing? First drawing are remain after the 3 quarter. 3 quarter it means 9 months. 9 months will be remain after the 3 quarters. And second one, time left after last drawing. So last end of each quarter concept is end of each quarter. It means it will be drawn on 31st of December plus 31st December, 0 months at on end of each quarter. Last drawing, the time will be remain after the last drawing 0 months. Average is equal to 4.5 months. Okay. Next, see, when drawing are made during the middle of each quarter. So middle of each quarter, during the middle of each quarter, middle of each quarter. See the concept. The question is saying that middle of each quarter, it means either each quarter, middle it means 3 months of each quarter, the withdrawing on middle 1.5 half. So 10 months remain after the middle of each quarter. They not will be drawn on 1st Jan to 15 February. The withdrawn from 15 February to 31st December is the time remain after first drawing. So how many months are remaining? 10.5 months. Here we'll count from 15 Feb to 31st December. Time left after first drawing because middle of each quarter, first quarter of middle, 1.5 plus time left after next concept, time left after last drawing. So middle here we will see time left after last drawing. So 1.5 November to 31st December, time left is equal to 1.5 months. 5 months average divided by 2 is equal to 10.5 plus 1.5, 12. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 months. So students, it was the concept when the drawing a partner on the quarterly basis. First is there when the partner drawing are made in the beginning of each quarter, then 7.5 when the partner are drawing and the each quarter, 4.5 when the partner are drawing during middle of each quarter, then 6.5. On the behalf of this concept, in this video class we will solve question number 22. Then students, see the question number 22. First question is given. Calculate the interest drawing of Mr. Aditya at the rate of 8% per annum for the year ended 31st March 2007 in each of the following alternate cases. So student, in this question we will calculate our interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is given 8% per annum. 8% per annum on the all cases. And first condition is given, if you withdraw 5,000 in the beginning of each quarter, 5,000 beginning of each quarter is given in the question. So they are withdrawing the equal amount for each quarter, the 5,000 beginning of each quarter. So first we will convert into the yearly drawing, 5,000 multiplied by 4, because 1 year is equal to 4 quarters. Then drawing amount of the yearly is 20,000, and I have to be explained when the drawing are beginning, then we will charge us 7.5 months, and percentage is given in the question 8%. Now calculate 2, 3, 25, 25 and 30 cancel, 5 to 1,000. So first is interest on drawing is 1,000 rupees. Second case is, if the drawing withdraw 6,000 at the end of each quarter, rupees 6,000 at the end of each quarter. So same thing, first we will convert into the year. Here given a quarterly amount 6,000 multiplied by 4 is equal to 34,000, and I have to be explained is a given is here and end of each quarter. So and we will calculate a 4.5 months, and interest on drawing is given 8%. The same work here we will do for the calculation. 2, 3, 30 cancel, 15, 30, 30 or 24, 0, 12, 6, 1, 7, 720. Next is, if he withdraw 10,000 during the middle of each year, so rupees 10,000 middle of each year, middle of each year, middle of each quarter or year, I think middle of each quarter, middle of each quarter. So middle of each quarter, because the quarter is question quarter. So 10,000 first will convert into the yearly, apply 4, 40,000 multiply middle of each quarter. I have to be explained when middle, then we will charge us 6 months. Percentage is 8%. So 0 to 0 cancel, 2, 4 and 4 for 1,600 rupees. So student, it was the question number 22. I hope today's topic you have to be understood how to be calculate the interest on drawing when the drawing are given at on the quarterly basis. Thank you students.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.